Empty and de-energize process equipment before opening. Process safety fundamentals are a set of operational rules relevant to process safety, the purpose of which is to prevent releases from equipment. Scope and risks. The risk is related to the uncontrolled release of energy of hazardous fluids when opening pipes or equipment. This process safety fundamental applies when unbolting, unscrewing, drilling or cutting process equipments and lines. Operating instructions. Before emptying and depressurizing, isolate the equipment electrically and mechanically, according to the work permit and according to the isolation procedures Lockout, Tagout, LOTO. Use a validated isolation plan that indicates all isolation points in the correct numbered order. Clearly define the isolation points to be marked on a scheme or P&ID and the persons who are in charge of the isolation of the different components of the equipment, such as valves, electrical devices, etc. Check and record the completion of the isolation plan according to the procedure. Wear selected PPE for residual chemical substances that may not have been totally purged or drained. Carry out depressurization and draining operations in compliance with the dedicated procedure. Then proceed with the cleaning operations by carrying out the necessary washes. According to the work permit, before opening, check that the equipment has been isolated and cleaned. The pressure indicator is at 0. The system is at ambient temperature and there is no flow. Remember that physical disconnection or blinding and a dedicated permit to work is required to access the equipment. Reminder: this video illustrates basic rules to be observed during daily activities. Company procedures, operating instructions, and work permits govern the execution of each intervention. Not complying with them could cause damage to people, the environment, assets, and have a possible impact on the company's image and reputation.